Welcome back, guys. Here in today's lecture, we're going to understand the Python static args and double static KW args usage in Python. So, to understand the concept, we need to just create an example of a function with three parameters. Suppose here we get def, adder, and we pass x, y, and z as a three argument, and we are going to print here the sum, and we can say x plus y plus z. And when we call this function adder here, three, means three parameters we pass, sum we got the sum is 16. But now if we pass the more than three arguments in this function, like 5 argument, then it is saying that adder takes 3 position arguments but 5 were given. So when this such kind of the situation create, then we use here the static args and kw static args in Python, which providing solution to us. So now we can pass a variable number of arguments to a function by using special symbols, and these special symbols are we can say like that this is the static args, which is the non-keyword arguments, and two kw args, that is the keyword arguments. So we can use for the unsure number of arguments position, we can use these. Only is because it's marked down, so it's showing the double as it. So here we go, and now we can just create the Python args. So here the example for this, we can say like the same function adder we will create here and pass the num, and just here we need to create it. Static num and sum is equal to 0 for n in num. Sum is equal to sum plus n. Now we need to here print sum and here sum. This is the variable. Now we can call it adder either with these two parameters, or we can call it with three parameters, 4, and here 5 parameters. If you run, then the sum result we are getting it. So output will look like this way. So now we can create the section here for Python static kw args. Basically, Python passes variable length non-keyword argument to function use static args, but we can use this to pass keyword argument. For this problem, Python has got solution called static, double static kwargs, and with we can pass the variable length of keyword arguments. So let's create an example for this. I would like to write here code for this def, and suppose we need to pass data to this function, and here we can pass and data type of the argument, so which could be type, and here we pass it data. And also we can for key value and data dot items, data dot items, here we go, and here we can print the string like is like here the data type dot format, and we can pass key and value here. So now we can call this function intro. Here first name is equal to John and last name is equal to Mike and age 35 and phone is equal to this. Now if I run this code, data type of argument is class dictionary. First name is John, last name is Mike, age is this, and phone is this. So in this program, we have function intro with the double static data as a parameter. We pass two we pass the dictionary and as with variable argument length to the intro function. We have to loop inside intro function which works on the data of past dictionary and print the value dictionary here. There are the things to remember. This is really important to must remember stuff. So here args and static kw args are special keywords which allows function to take variable length arguments. Another thing, static args pass variable number of non-keywords argument list, and the kwargs pass variable number of keywords argument dictionary to function on which operations of a dictionary can be performed. And finally, args and kwargs make functions flexible. So this is all about the Python args, kwargs, and this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Thank you and bye for now.